Welcome to this tutorial on converting a PowerPoint to a PDF in C#. So to do this, we'll use the Zamzar PPT to HTML converter online tool. So simply upload your PowerPoint document to the Zamzar website. And select the output format to HTML5. And then just click on the Convert Now button. So the PPTX file is uploading now. Now the PPTX file has started converting to HTML. And when it's completed, you can download it. Okay, conversion's completed and you can download it now. It'll download a zip file containing all data of the PPTX file in the HTML file. And here you can see all files of PPTX are converted to the HTML file. So we'll switch to Visual Studio 2022, where we've already installed IronPDF using the NuGet Package Manager. Here's the code that we'll be using. Using IronPDF, we create a new instance of the Chrome PDF renderer class, which is used to convert the HTML file into a PDF document. This class provides the functionality to render HTML into a PDF document. Next, the code sets the paper size of the PDF document to A2 using the rendering options paper size property. This property is used to specify the size of the paper to be used for the PDF document. The code then sets the license key for the IronPDF library, which is required to activate the library and use its features. But please note, we've hidden the license key in this video for security purposes. But you can avail a 30-day free trial by visiting the IronPDF website. The code then calls the render HTML file as PDF method to convert the HTML file into a PDF document. And this method takes the path of the HTML file as an argument. Finally, the code saves the generated PDF document to the file system using the Save As method and specifies the location and the name of the file. So let's run the project and see the output. Okay, the process is completed and here is our final output, a PDF document that preserves the formatting and responsiveness of the original PowerPoint presentation. And that's it. So I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to export a PowerPoint presentation as an HTML file and then convert it to a PDF document using IronPDF and Visual Studio 2022. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you need any further help, our support team is standing by, ready to assist.